Now this section is all about definite integrals. Now before we start on definite integrals, we have to talk about what indefinite integrals are. Okay, this is the kind of stuff that you've been doing lately. Okay, so let's have a simple integration of 2x cubed dx. In this case here, this is equals to 2x to the power 4 divided by 4 plus c, and then just simplify this, it becomes x to the power 4, half over here, plus c. Now, this is what we call an indefinite integral. This is the stuff that you guys have been doing previously. A definite integral looks something like this. Okay, let's suppose I have the same expression again, 2x cubed dx. Except now, what I have are two numbers right beside the integration symbol. Okay, and basically, what you do is you do the same sort of integration. You don't add an arbitrary constant to it, but you do this. Okay, put it in square brackets. This one is where you do the integration of 2x cubed. Okay, remember again, there's no arbitrary constant over here. Put a 2 over here, put a 0 over here. Let's simplify this to become half x to the power 4. Okay, 2, 0. And this is what you do. For each of these values over here, 2 and 0, you shall do a substitution inside this expression, and you're going to subtract half 2 to the power 4 minus half 0 to the power 4. Okay, and this will become half to the power of 16 minus half times 0, and this just becomes 8. Okay, so if you do this is what we call a definite integral on 2x cubed, and what you get back is a value. Okay, what you get back is a value. Now, what does this value mean? Okay, now let's suppose I sketch this out for you. What I'm going to do is I'm going to sketch out the curve y equals to 2x cubed, right? I'm going to sketch this up. And it's going to look like this. If you remember your cubic equation, cubic function sketch of it. Okay. So what you've done is actually this. From 0 to 2 of this function, what you found is the area under this curve. Okay, from 0 to 2. You're finding the area under the curve from 0 to 2, or any other value that you put in. Okay, so this is what we call the definite integral. So, in general, if I differentiate big fx, and I get fx, then if I find the definite integral between the values a and b for fx with respect to x, this is actually equals to f b minus f a.